Guys, my name is Grace and today I'm going to be showing you how to make jiggly slime. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to make jiggly slime is glue. So I'm just going to pour in a tiny amount. You can always add more if you need. So let's see. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so this is how much glue I added into my bowl. It's a good amount. So then the next thing I'm going to do is put some shaving cream inside with the glue. I love when it's like, when you buy it and it's new and then it comes out so clean. So now I've added inside my shaving cream. So now I'm going to mix it together. Oh, it's so fluffy. I love fluffy slime. Oh, I love this. It's so nice. Let me show it to you guys. It's so cool. I love fluffy. Okay, so now this is blue paint, and I'm just going to be adding it into my slime. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love this. Add some more. I'm gonna make it, I think, a lighter color. So I think I might add in some more if I want the color to be darker. The more food coloring you add in, the darker it will be. I wanted a pretty light slime. So I'm just going to mix it. Oh, I like this. This is such a pretty color. It's a really light blue color. I like this color a lot. Comment down below what your favorite color is. My favorite color is light pink and light gray. I love those two colors together a lot. So comment down below. I really want to know. So I've finished mixing in my paint and this is what it looks like. It's a really nice light blue. It's actually darker in person than on the camera, but I like it a lot. So since it's jiggly slime, we need to add in some water. So that's what I'm going to be doing next. And I think I'm going to add in maybe half the cup to start with. It depends how jiggly you want it. Okay. That's just a tiny bit to get started. Oh. I love jiggly slime so much. Okay, so now I'm just going to mix it. It might have been a bit too much water for the amount of glue, but that's okay. I'm going to mix it and then come back to you guys. Alright guys, so I finished putting in some water, but as you can see it's really running now. So I probably put too much water, so I'm just going to add a bit more glue to even it out. That's enough. Okay, so now I'm just going to keep mixing it again. Comment down below what your favorite type of slime is. I think mine would definitely have to be, right now, jiggly slime. I love jiggly slime. The texture is just so cool, how it like bounces and stuff, so I really love jiggly slime. So let's keep mixing. So as you guys can see, I added in more glue because it was a bit too runny. So now it's pretty thick and it's gotten a lot bigger. This is a big slime. So now that I've finished mixing in the amount of glue and water that I want, I'm going to start activating my slime, and I'm using the borax and water mixture. So let's add it in. I think I'm going to start with 3 spoonfuls because it's a really big slime. So I'm just going to keep activating and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I finished mixing my slime with the activator, and I love this slime. It's super jiggly and it's really stretchy, so I think it's time to take it out of the bowl. There we go. So this is my slime. I really love it a lot, and it's super duper thick, if that makes sense. It just feels really nice. And I think this is my best slime I've ever made. So, yes, I love this slime so much. It's so nice. I'm going to try and make a bubble with it. Hopefully I can make a bubble. So let's try this. So the way I make a bubble is I put it in front of me and then I pull part back and up. I did it! Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I love this. I love this slime so much. It's so jiggly. Oh, it's so nice, and I love the color. It turned out great. So I think we should try and make another bubble, shouldn't we? Let's try and make another bubble. That didn't work too well. Okay, let's try it again. I'm gonna try the other way, where you take the slime and you lift it over itself. I clearly can't do it that way. I'm just gonna try and make another one. Ooh, I love this slime so much. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below. And I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!